Hello, my name is Timothy Paul, a graduate student from Texas Southern University in the field of business. And I've been taught by some of the finest professors, sir. And they always told us to do valuable research in the company and what we're most interested in. And also be looking for something that we like to do, and that we love. And I feel that your company takes on valuable customers that are loyal customers. And I'm a loyal person. And at that, sir, I feel that your employees that bring on to these loyal customers with this loyal valuability, also, I can keep that in me. I want to be the most valuable asset that you can have to profit the margin and also profit the business, sir. And also, I'm kind of nervous, but I think that I could be a very, very valuable asset to you and the company, sir. Most of what I'm trying to say and what I'm trying to tell you, sir, is that I'm a potential leader and that I am going to take your company very seriously like I do everything else in life. I'm a very loyal person, and everything that I stand by is loyalty, competitiveness, and strength. So today I leave you with that, and now my number is 713-392-6468. Timothy Parr. My email address is parrtimmothy@yahoo.com. Thank you for your time, and I hope you get back with me.